let's get the camera out and give it a bit of a wiggle.
So yeah, that is it now. Are we recording? Yep, I think we are. Hello everybody, and welcome to the New Forest. I'm heading down to a tree that I know exists here, because I have shot it before, but not with ICM. And it's a beautiful tree. In fact, I think it's probably the nicest tree I've ever seen in the forest. It's got a lot of shape to it. So I'm going to do a bit of ICM on it. It's a perfect day for it because we've got some clouds in the sky which can be in the background of the tree, which will make it stand out. So yeah, once we get there, I'll show you what I've got in mind. Just seen a deer up here. I expect it's gone now. There it is. Look, can you see? Let me try and get a little bit closer. Oh, how lovely. Okay, there we have it. Just there. I think I'm probably gonna take it from the other side. Don't know, I might take a couple from this side and then try the other side, but let's get over there without breaking the neck. But yes, lovely area this. Gonna see if I can find any other compositions while I'm here today. So what I want to do is get some clouds in the background that are pretty much gonna totally cover the tree, which will make the tree stand out more. That's what I've got in my head. So we've got a fair few clouds here today, so that should be achievable. Camera movements, I'm just gonna give this a little wiggle just to soften it. And I might give it a slight movement up or down, but we'll try various movements and see what sort of image it gives us. But as you can see, it's a beautifully shaped tree. I think it is anyway. So we're gonna, Going to set up the camera and see what we can get. Yeah, as I say, I want to take this tree, with the cloud behind it, and as I say, I'm just going to give it a little shake to soften it. So yeah, let's see what we can do. Might help if I took the lens cap off. Okay. Oh, bit fast there. Let's see what I got. Right, let's try that. Still a bit fast. Might have to put a stronger ND filter on it. Let's see if that's out. Oh, that's better. Yeah, just giving it a little shake and a little movement upwards at the same time. One thing you have got to do with this is watch your highlights, because we're taking into the sky, so it's very easy to get blown out highlights. If you do, just dial in a bit of minus compensation. Just a little wiggle. And a little movement upwards. Yes, that's actually looking okay. Well, I think what I'm going to do is go around the other side and take some shots there, because we've got more cloud cover looking that way. Let's move you round to the other side. Yeah, that's better. I thought about doing it in portrait orientation. I don't know, no, I don't think it's really... I might take a few in portrait, see what happens. Oh. Just a little wiggle and a little movement. I'm actually going upwards and down to up. Almost as if you can't sort of hold the camera still. Okay, got quite a few shots for that tree, so We'll see what they look like when we get home. But let's turn the camera around. Oh, that's it. But yeah, so I think I'm going to use today to let me change hands. It's easier than that. Yeah, I think I'm going to use today to do a bit of scouting. See if I can get any ideas for the future. Trees are, I don't know, so sometimes so difficult to make a good image of. But yeah, so we're going to head back to the car and go just, actually where I want to go is just, let me see if I'm, I sort of want to go over there. Okay. The sun's in my eyes, can't see if I'm pointing over there. At least there are only 3 cows there. I'm always nervous with round cows. Many years ago, when my daughter was about 5 years old, we were out for a walk in a field full of cows, and all of a sudden they started stampeding towards us, and I grabbed my daughter and ran like hell, and I just managed to get over the fence before they got to me. And about 5 years ago I was over on the Purbex and I was walking through a field with my dog, and she was on the lead, but there were these herd of cows right over the other side of the field, and all of a sudden they started running full pelt towards me. And I know people say that if you stand still they'll stop, but when you got 30 or 40 cows running towards you full pelt, trust me, you ain't gonna stand still. And I managed to just run into some trees, and I was hiding behind this tree for ages before they actually decided to disperse. So I never go in a field full of cows now, because I just do not have any luck with them at all. But there were only 3 there, so I think we were okay.
Well, I've just come over to the other side and I've seen this tree here. Very interesting shape. And I think it would be quite nice because it's got the sort of pine trees and silver birch trees in the background, which I think would probably set it off. I think that's probably one that is worth giving a go, but another day, for the simple reason that it needs a long lens to take that, to pull the background in closer. Well, this is the image that I got from my trip to the New Forest the other day. Quite pleased with it. What do you think? Please leave a comment. Always welcome. And if you like it, please leave a like. So yeah, I think that'll do me for today. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you very much to all the people who have subscribed, and if you haven't already done so, then be great if you could. Thank you. My links to my Instagram account and website are below, and click that notification bell to see any future videos that I put up. So yeah, I think that's about it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it, and all that's left to be said is this is John Dexter saying bye for now.